Alright, what is going on, guys? Crypto Mac here, bringing another crypto video. Today we're going to take a look at Wax. Now, I did a video on Wax yesterday, my first video ever on Wax, and this is about, at this period here, it was trading about 48 cents. I said I was very bullish on this project, and within a few hours, 12 hours, it pumped 60%. So, pretty crazy, really. I did say we're in this big descending triangle. Sorry, descending wedge, is falling wedge. Pattern was forming, we broke out and headed higher, and yeah, it speaks for itself. So we went and pumped. As you can see here, this is our line. We had 3 touch points, 1, 2, 3, also a 4th one there, wick. We're heading on the bottom line here, a few touch points along the way. We broke out, and as you can see, we broke out and had a confirmation, and then yeah, as I said, we pumped. So you can see from the line, this is our target, and if you take it from the breakout, which was right here, you can see we hit our target basically perfect right there. So that was our target from our breakout on the wick. We did just wick. We wicked up and then slowly and came back down and then moved higher again. So it was a very rapid move, and then we kind of consolidated, and we have come down since then, which is to be expected from a move like that. So before I get into it, just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. But getting back to it, we can see that was our top there, and we came down to, we can say this red wick was 20%, and we're currently trading at 17 cents below that high. So that was a high of 73 cents. We went to 70 cents, which is really nice. I did say that was our target, was to get into 70 cents. I mean, so we just smashed straight through 50 cents, 60 cents into 70, and now I've consolidated about low 60s, which is to be expected. So, on the hourly, we can say that we're forming, if you want to include that wick, which you can if you want, why not? You can say we're forming a symmetrical triangle as well, which is about to break out. It's on the bottom line at the moment, so hopefully we can move up and then head higher, which will be good to see. So I'll follow this. I mean, it's only on the hourly, and on the hourly, patterns tend not to be as probable to take place. We like to look more on the 4-hourly charts. I think is a bit more realistic, but you know, it's something to look at, and we'll watch this. I mean, given the move we saw, it could have another move similar. And if we are to see that, as I said, the move was from the breakout to the top was about this height. So, you know, if we were to see another move like that from a breakout, there we'd be looking at 90 cents. And as we said, the all-time high is at just shy of $1. So you could say there's maybe like a bull flag going to take place, even though that's usually a falling wedge. But as I said, I'll be watching it. We'll see if we can head back to the upper side of this triangle and hopefully break out. That'd be really nice. So all in all, pretty good, especially because I said, you know, it has just been in a downtrend for so long, and like we can see, we had the breakout confirmed and just shot up straight away, which is really nice to see. On the Wax Bitcoin chart, basically the exact same story. This big falling wedge, we broke out. We didn't properly confirm. We kind of just like wiggled out and then went higher. It's pretty much the exact same chart. So really good for Wax. As I said, trading at 61 cents. I think we can definitely see us getting back up to this all-time high levels and going higher. I mean, this coin has so much potential. And as I said yesterday, you know, to get up to the levels of the likes of Sandbox, which is another NFT related coin, this coin would have to 5x its price. So, and that was from where I was at yesterday, and we showed what like that would be from our point currently. A 5x is up here around the $3 range, right? So we're talking about $3 range, and we just pumped to 60 cents. Well, there's still in that, with that vision, which is definitely a speculation. I'm not saying this is definitely going to get to that price, but if it were to, you know, 60 cents, we're still looking at a 5x to get to $3. Like, could he go there? And if we look at Sand, like we saw Sand have that big parabolic move, just a repetitious move of bull flares. We talked about this on our channel. And I'm saying this because these NFT coins can get a lot of hype and can just do these parabolic moves constant. This was Sandbox, just bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, much higher, and from there, from like the first few pumps, I mean, the first few pumps was 340% move, which is nothing to nothing shy. Like that's a solid move. And then from there, it just went higher, another 170% move. So this coin just went absolutely crazy. And so there's a chance that we can see Wax take a similar approach. I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, by the way. Like, you can't be too deterministic. You definitely can't expect parabolic moves to happen like that. And we've seen Wax have a nice run as well. So by no means could that happen, but just because the market cap isn't as high as Sandbox just shows that there's just a lot of room to grow, as opposed to Sand, which has a relatively high market cap in comparison to Wax. And so there's not as much room to grow, but Wax could, if it decides to compete with Sand, has a ways to go, and we can see parabolic moves. As we've already seen, like this move here was very quick, happening extremely quick. We can see this happen further and on larger scales. And coming off this big downtrend, you know, I'm very bullish, right? A big correction is always healthy for coins, and this one had a pretty solid correction. As I said, it was 50 to 60%. It was about 58% correction if you take it from that wick, and a 58% correction is no joke at all. So this could just be the start of like a big move. It'll be, I would say, somewhat dependent on Bitcoin. Like it can definitely just perform well when Bitcoin's moving steadily. If Bitcoin has a dump, then I'd say Wax should probably go lower. However, if Bitcoin decides to move back up to, let's say, 55,000 or 60K over the next week or two, which could definitely happen, then I would say that to give majority of altcoins a big push, and Wax as well, and give Wax a push to get back up to all-time high levels up here, and then hopefully break through that, as I said, a mental barrier of $1. Break through that and then just go higher and really see where this coin can go. So I'll probably leave the video there. Let me know what you think Wax will do. Please like the video, comment, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, guys. I really do appreciate all the support. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you later, guys. Enjoy.